and welcome to MarineMax with Westbrook. My name is Fred Aberley, and today we're doing a walkthrough of a Sea Ray 190 SPX. This boat is designed with fun in mind. Open bow seating area, fusion stereo system. It has a Simrad navigation package, two-tone seats. The upholstery in this boat is beautiful. The boat has plenty of storage, both here underneath the helm area, lockable storage. There's more down in here for cooler, clothes, anything you want to bring aboard on the boat for a great day. Back aft, we have plenty of storage in here underneath this Sunpad. So the boat really is able to handle 8 people comfortably for a great day out on the water. The decking of the boat, it's basically set up for an option. You can pull the carpeting out. It is a great option to have on the boat, though. It's very nice, this dune colored carpeting. Also that we have the sea deck, which is applied directly onto the deck itself. It's great, it's easy to clean, very comfortable on your feet, and it adds a lot to the boat's appearance. The boat itself is powered by a 115 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury motor, and the boat also comes equipped with a tow bar for all kinds of water sports. The shade overhead is provided by this bimini, which can be removed. So come see us at 627 Boston Post Road. We are MarineMax, and this is a Sea Ray 190 SPX. You can speak with myself, Fred Aberley, or any of our knowledgeable consultants about this boat. Thanks for watching.